Namaste. Welcome to another edition along with Sathi Snails to Bolts. We are on day 6 and today we'll be focusing on balancing exercises. In the last couple of days we have focused on lower body, core, upper body, and today we will be focusing on how to balance your body. It is just not about balancing, it is about working on your core and all the body muscles all together. So let's have Manish with us and let's get going. Thank you.
Are you ready to beat diabetes? So, are you ready for a change? Are you ready to sweat it out? 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. So today we'll start with the warm up. So as warm up is always important and essential. If you had did earlier session of our beginner level, you had seen we had did very light warm up also. So this will be because you had did for the month, more than month you had did all these exercises. Now you are doing this. So hope this warm up will be for next level of your exercises, which we will be showing further. Yeah? So let's start with the warm up. We will start from the head to toe. Slowly we will take all the body parts, we will mobilize it, loosen it. Yeah? Okay, let's start with the head. Up down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change left right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, side bend dynamically. 1, 2. Yeah, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we will do the front, back, up, back. Front, back. Got it? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Next one, alternate toe touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, 1, 2. इससे आपका ग्रोइंग मोबिलाइज होएगा and it is very important to mobilize your groin before doing, because feet and groins are the ignored part. Yeah, relax. Next one, we will do the hip rotation. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one, calf raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Next one, for your ankle, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, with another leg, we will do the rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. If you want to take support, please take it. Not an issue. Relax. दूसरा पैर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Next one we will do for the hamstring. We will loosen the hamstring muscle. Just you have to stand and bend down. Your knee should be locked and swing. We will show. Yes. Make sure your knee should be locked. Yeah, you start. Yeah, you just swinging the hand. Make sure you are getting the stretch in your hamstring. You are loosening the hamstring muscles. Yeah, relax. Next one we will do few kicks. Front kick. 1, 2. आराम से करो. अगर आपसे नहीं होता है, कम होता है, चलेगा. इतना किया चलेगा. हाँ, कम किया तो भी चलेगा. बट लेग शुड बी स्ट्रेट. और पैर को टच करने के लिए अपने बॉडी को नीचे मत लेकर आओ. यस, दूसरे पैर का फ्रंट किक. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch to another leg. Sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Spot jog. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one, jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, butt kick. You have to swing your hand. See his leg movement. He's trying to pull his leg behind and kicking behind as much as possible. Relax. Next one and the last one, we will do the high knee. Do it with the low intensity. First hold low intensity. Yeah, relax. Yes, इतना किया तो भी चलेगा. और जो थोड़ा और ऊपर फिर धीरे धीरे जितना, yes, इतना भी चलेगा. Don't do more than this. Yeah, you will do the relax. Okay, we are done with the warm up. Now we'll start with our workout. Thank you. Hello everyone. So today we will going to do some stability workout. That is what in the layman we can tell balancing workout. Yeah. Why balancing workout? It will help to strengthen your core. Yeah. Overall body. That is what important. Yeah. Most of the activity what we do in a day, even walking is a single leg activity. If you'll see, what we do max in our day, walk max of the time to go anywhere we do walk. Yeah. So even when we walk, at a time we use the single leg. Yeah. So it is always important to have the balancing with the single leg. Yeah. If you feel you can do with the balance also, means taking the balance of the wall or anything. Yeah. In between. Yeah. So the first workout we will do the tree pose like this. He will show. And hands up like this. बस पूरा बॉडी है स्ट्रेट ऐसे एकदम खाली ऐसे होल्ड करना है आपको 30 सेकंड. रिलैक्स. या रिलैक्स. तो ऐसे करके आपको 30 सेकंड के लिए होल्ड करना है. यस, डोंट गो टू मच ऑफ एक साइड में, ज़्यादा मत चले जाना, बीच में चाहिए. अगर आपको लग रहा है आप ज़्यादा ये साइड चले जा रहे हो ऐसे, तो ब्रेक ले लेना बीच में, चलेगा. एंड आई विल टेल हिम ऑल्सो टू टेक अ ब्रेक, सो यू विल ऑल्सो परफॉर्म इट विथ हिम. या 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See his body, how straight it is. It is not bending this side or this side. एकदम straight है. 12, 13, 14, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yes. Now next one we will do other side. How to do? He will show. Yeah. Other side. Yeah. We'll take break. We'll give 10-second break to them. Yeah. Relax, Ashish. Yeah. Like this you have to do. 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even he is doing with this leg, his body is not coming completely this side. He is balancing well in the center. मतलब पैर के ऊपर ही एकदम पूरा बॉडी बैलेंस है, और कोर से भी ये कोर को भी एंगेज कर रही है. दैट्स व्हाई ही इज एबल टू स्टैंड इन द सेंटर. एल्स if he is not balanced with the core, he will go one of the side. Yeah, last 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. See his hand. 4, 3, 2. Relax. Abhi next exercise we will do. We will just go the hold. Deadlift hold करेंगे. Yeah. Deadlift में पूरा नीचे जाते हैं, but इसमें पूरा नीचे नहीं जाएंगे. Yeah. Stop. You can also take the support. वॉल से ले सकते हो, स्टिक से ले सकते हो, किसी भी चीज से ले सकते हो, चेयर का सपोर्ट ले सकते हो, या खुद अकेले भी कर सकते हो. रिलैक्स. सो इस तरह हमें करना है. या सो होप यू विल एंजॉय. लेट्स स्टार्ट. 3, 2, स्टार्ट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. He is doing great. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Wow. That is great. Very nice. Very well performed. You can also do it. I am sure without support also you guys can do it. Yeah. I am showing with the support because you will be able to understand how to take the support. Yeah? 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's great. We'll do single leg stand, and we'll just do the marching with the single leg. Single leg marching. How? 1, 2, 1, 2. एकदम स्लोली करना, चलेगा. फास्ट तभी करना जब यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट कि हम 30 सेकंड कर पाएंगे. Yes, that's why he is doing slowly, so you can know how to do it. Yeah, gradual progression is always good. Yeah, let's start. 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Last 15 seconds. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स. अभी दूसरे पैर से करेंगे. दूसरे पैर. स्टार्ट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. अभी एक लास्ट स्टेबिलिटी वर्कआउट करेंगे. हम लोग स्टेबिलिटी के साथ मोबिलाइज भी कर रहे हैं. लास्ट टाइम वी वे मोबिलाइजिंग द ग्लूट्स. नाउ हम लोग हिप और ग्रोइंस को मोबिलाइज करेंगे. शो हाउ टू डू इट. हिप और ग्रोइंस मोबिलाइज करने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरत है. रिलैक्स. दिस इज द you can say most ignored part also. Like we ignored the feet exercises, we ignored the groin exercises also, but which is very important for your daily movement. When we move our hip. We use your hip to move your body. So that mobilization is very important. Yeah, let's start. 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. अभी दूसरा एक्सरसाइज मतलब दूसरे पैर के लिए करेंगे. सेम एक्सरसाइज. या और ये लास्ट एक्सरसाइज भी है. So do it properly. Yeah, let's start. 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, in and out, in and out. Do it slowly, chalega. If you require, take a support. Yeah, with stability, we are also mobilizing the groin. Yeah, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great assist. So he is doing practice from years. That's why he can do so smoothly. I am sure even if you can't do it practice. Don't think like you will not be able to do. Yeah. With few weeks and months of daily and consecutively, if you keep doing and follow it, I am sure you will achieve it. Yeah. Let's beat the diabetes. Yeah. By doing the workout. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe. Also press the bell notification. Thank you, Ashish, for wonderful workout. As we finish our workout, it is always important to the cool down. As had explained earlier also, cool down is very important. Yeah. So we'll do the cool down also from your head to toe. We will show each exercise from head to toe will be 10 seconds, but you can do, if you have more time, you can do it for 20 to 30 seconds also. Yeah, this will make your body relaxed. You will feel like you can do all the workout again. Yeah, that is what the magic of the cool down or limb work. Yeah. Okay, let's start. Ready for the
Yes,
cool down?
yes.
Yeah. Let's start with the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one. Yeah, perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One we will do for the triceps. Yes, but to pull down like this. The way he is doing. You will get the stretch here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, Next one, we will do side bend hold. क्या? Static side bend रहेगा, hold रखेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, forward bend like this. आपके हिप को पीछे की तरफ स्ट्रेच करना है. आपको हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. 1, 2. ये देखो, ये हिप को पीछे की तरफ स्ट्रेच कर रहा हूँ. तो आपको he is showing in the other direction. हिप को पीछे डायरेक्शन में एक है तो आपके हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. Yes, relax. Now next one, go down in the center. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, he will show for the hip like this. In the lunges position but static, hold रखेंगे. आपके hip और glutes दोनों में stretch आएगा. heel ground पे touch नहीं रहेगा. अपर बॉडी स्ट्रेट है. आगे वाला पैर 90 डिग्री है. पीछे वाला पैर भी एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. 4, 3, 2, 1. या दूसरे साइड करेंगे. अभी दूसरे साइड. 1, 2. अपर बॉडी स्ट्रेट, नी 90 डिग्री. पीछे वाला पैर एक्सटेंड. हील डाउन टच नहीं है. रिलैक्स. नेक्स्ट वन, फॉरवर्ड बेंड. हाथ ऐसे ऊपर लेंगे और नीचे जाएंगे. आप गो डाउन स्लोली. यस. नी लॉक है, लेग स्ट्रेट है. आपको हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बस अगर कोई अपना फोरहेड नी को टच कर सकता है वो भी कर सकते हैं. रिलैक्स. अभी एक बैक के लिए करेंगे. जस्ट गो बैक. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. आप लोग जितना कर सकते हैं उतना ही करना. रिलैक्स. नेक्स्ट वन, वी विल डू वन फॉर द ग्लूट्स. पैर ऐसे करेंगे और फिर सिट डाउन. जितना भी नीचे बैठ सकते. परफेक्ट. 1, 2. एक जगह पे देखो तो आपका कंसंट्रेट करोगे ना एक जगह पे तो आपका हो जाएगा. 5, 4, 3, 2. अभी दूसरे पैर के लिए करेंगे. या विल डू फॉर द अनदर लेग. स्टार्ट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. One we will do for the groin. Sit down like this and just stretch. आपके एल्बो से थाइस को बाहर की तरफ पुश करना है. 1, 2. You will feel the stretch in your groin. Groins मतलब ये part. Just you will feel the stretch there. Relax. That is most ignored part while doing any of the workout. Either warm up, cool down. So we had purposely included in our program. One we will do for the quads. We will just lift it. Again, आप एक जगह पे देखो नहीं होता है तो आप बैलेंस ले सकते हो. दीवार से चलेगा. या 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. दूसरे पैर के लिए करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, we will do Trikonasana. Cross triangle pose. Perfect. ऊपर देखना है, स्काई पे। यस, आप घर में कर रहे हो तो सीलिंग पे देखिए। 4 5 6 7 8 9, अदर साइड। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9। Next one, we will do few sitting exercises. Sitting stretches. यहाँ पे बैठ जाओ, आपका पैर इधर आएगा। Perfect. अभी just both the legs straight, both the legs straight. Perfect. Just bend down, forward bend. Again, आपका जो ये पैर है, ये जितना ग्राउंड की तरफ रहेगा उतना अच्छा है। या 5 4 3 2 1, रिलैक्स। या बटरफ्लाई, बटरफ्लाई। थोड़ा मैट पे आ जाओ। हाँ, चलेगा। नाउ जस्ट swing it. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10। एक कैट कैमल करेंगे, कैट कैमल। एंड जस्ट आर्च, आर्च। देखिए कैसे आर्च कर रहे हैं। यस, देन अगेन 2 4 to 5 times. Yes, but do it very slowly. This is for relaxing your back. This is very good for your back. Yes, so you must do it. Yeah, relax. Next one, you will sit in the Vajrasan. Vajrasan. Sit. Yeah. Just press your body. Just press your body. Yes. Just sit down for 10 to 20 सेकेंड। हम लोग 10 सेकेंड के लिए ही करेंगे। Relax. Come up. The last one we will do with the breathing exercise. Inhale up करेंगे और exhale down करेंगे। We will show. Inhale up, मतलब वो सांस अंदर लेके ऊपर जा रहे हैं और सांस छोड़ेंगे तो नीचे आ रहे हैं। Very slowly. With his breathing rhythm, उनका हाथ भी ऊपर जा रहा है और breathing rhythm से ही जैसे exhale कर रहे हैं डाउन हो रहे हैं। Inhale ले रहे हैं तो ऊपर, exhale तो डाउन। Yeah, relax. Hope you enjoyed the session. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it for more updates. We will keep posting many more videos for you and many other elements also. Yeah, thank you.